Okay, we're back. Rocky is ready to be dried. So our sponsor sent us this. It is called the aiiymedogdryer dog dryer. So we're gonna give Rocky a blow dry. This will be our first time using this product, so we'll have a better review after it's over. There'll be a link in the description to this product, and let's see how this thing works.
Be good, Rock.
Here we go, Rock. I know I've got a slip lead on him so that he doesn't get away. So, pardon the noise. Oh, he doesn't like it. Oh, come here, boy. Oh, come here. You're going to be awful fluffy here, Rocky.
You on the camera? Did you see him on the camera?
Not a little bit. Come towards me a little bit. Oh, Rocky. I know, you don't like it, do you? Get you all fluffy dry. Let me get that backside. I gotta get the backside dry, Rock. Right in the face. Look how fluffy you are, Rock.
Here.
You got your hair nice and dry.
See, Mama. Come here.
There you go.
See? See, smile. Look at me. That nice and clean from the aiiymedoggroooming.
You gotta get down a little farther.
Here we go. Rocky, say hi.
There you go, Rock.
Yeah, Rock.
You're nice and fluffy.
Oh, good job, Rock.
And that is from the aiiymedoggroooming dog dryer.
Thanks, Amy.
Thank you all for watching. Make sure you, once you've watched this, hit that like button, drop a comment, hit that notification bell, and make sure you subscribe. And then again, we're gonna put that link in the description and a tagged comment, a pinned comment, excuse me. And everybody have a wonderful day. Share this with your friends.